Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zazzle, Custom Gifts and Cards, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zazzle is a customization-focused shopping app that lets users design, personalize, and order unique products ranging from greeting cards and invitations to clothing, home decor, accessories, and gifts. The platform features millions of designs created by independent artists, and users can modify colors, text, photos, and layouts to create items that fit personal events, celebrations, and branding needs. The app is available on both iOS and Android and syncs with your Zazzle account for easy access to saved designs and orders. The app's main feature is its design customization tool. Users can upload images, change fonts, reposition elements, and preview items before purchasing. Zazzle also offers curated templates for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and corporate branding. Customers can browse trending products, follow favorite creators, and receive alerts about discounts and promotions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its wide product variety, simple customization options, and the ability to create highly personalized gifts. The print quality is often praised, and the marketplace supports artists who upload and sell their designs. Users also find it convenient for last-minute event needs, such as invitations or personalized decor. However, there are some drawbacks. Shipping times can vary depending on the product, and some users note delays during busy seasons. Certain items may feel overpriced compared to traditional retail options, especially after adding customization. In addition, a few users report inconsistencies in color accuracy or print alignment, though these issues are not universal. In summary, the Zazzle app may be worth using if you want personalized gifts, custom cards, or unique designs for events and celebrations. Its wide catalog and user-friendly design tools make it ideal for both casual shoppers and creative businesses. However, if you're looking for lower-cost options or need guaranteed fast delivery, it might not always meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.